Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add your Etsy link to your TikTok bio. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com. If you're not already, you want to go ahead and open it up. So after opening it up for yourself, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, which is the home page from where we can get started. So here in the upper right corner, we can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you already have an account, just log in normally. But yeah guys, create an account if you need one. So after you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started. Here we can go and find all the products that we want to use and buy. We can manage our store right here from the top of the screen by using the shop manager option, and now we can get started. So basically guys, how do we link our Etsy shop account, whatever we want, to our TikTok bio? It's very easy, and all we have to do is just go right here. You want to go ahead and open up your profile that you want to link to, or your store, whichever option you want. I'm going to open up my profile, and after opening it up, now we're going to be greeted by our profile page. So once we are going to go ahead and open up our store, profile, whatever, right here at the top of the screen we can find the URL. This is going to be the link that you can copy. So what you want to do is use this URL right here, copy this link, and once you're copying it guys, you can go ahead and get started pasting it to your TikTok bio. So you can paste it wherever you want. You can paste it in your TikTok shop descriptions, whatever option you want to prefer and to use you can do. But this is the link that you're going to copy, because once this link is opened up, it's going to take people to your page, so they will be able to access your profile, your store, and whatever you prefer. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.